Sama niya. Okay. Hi! Good morning. Today is November 3 and it is 7:22 in the morning. I'm still working on the focus thing. Oh, there you go. 7:22 in the morning and I am going to be unboxing my AeroPress. It was the first time that I heard about this thingy from a friend and I'm excited to use it. I actually had this for a week now, but I never got the chance to open it. And today I'm like, you know, screw it. I'm just gonna open it regardless of our situation here. Bala na. So yeah, this is the machine, the thing, and it came with an extra filter, pack of filters, 350 filters. Wow, that's for good over a year nagamit, assuming that I will have my coffee once a day at home. That's an assumption, but yeah, so eto siya. This is from Pukaw Tools, Pukaw Coffee Tools PH. They have a website and you can get this from there. Na-open ko na to, but I'm gonna open this again for you. Take it out of the box. Ayan siya. First thing, this is the swizzle stick, the steering device. Pang ano lang to, pang stir, pang kutaw. Next is a scoop. We have a scoop to use para sa coffee and sa coffee grounds. And then this funnel-like thingy. And ito na yun na talagang ginagamit para mag-press. Ito siya. Tadan! At first, I found it really hard to assemble. I mean, I'm not really good at assembling anything. Pero if you actually follow naman the instructions or the manual that it came with, hindi naman siya that complicated. And this one is, I don't know what this is, pero it's part of the thing. And meron din siyang filter. This is the filter that it comes with the box. And then you can also opt to add another set of filters para, you know, you save on the shipping fee. And we have here is the Z manual. Unfortunately, I think this is not in English. This is just in another. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Meron naman palang English translation. Oh, and meron pala ditong parts so we can properly name them. This is the plunger. There. And this one is the chamber. The filter cap is below the chamber here. Actually, nare-remove to. This is the paper filter. May nakuha tayong tama. This one is the scoop. Tama din. And this one, tinatawag nilang stirrer. Swizzle stick. And then, the funnel. Okay. Now we've got all we got ourselves familiar with the parts. It's now time to prepare our coffee. I will just get my what do you call that? Yung parang pang-init ng tubig. Water heater. And I will be back with you. Okay, so nakaset up na yung table natin. I have to do this because wala. So that you can see ito. Parang the camera is not angled properly pa. Ayan. So, ayan siya. The first thing that kailangan natin gawin is maglagay ng paper filter. We're just gonna open this. Lala. Ang hirap naman. Mababali yung koko ko. Oh no. Grabe, this is packaged so well and ang sturdy ng ano niya. ng box itself and the material itself. It's very sturdy. Ito, lagay natin dito. Matatanggal kasi to. Ayun. Don't worry na ano ko na to. I wiped it already. So like that. And then, we put the filter right back in. Pagkatapos, eto kasi, ginagamit to just like that when you want to put your coffee. Pero, I don't think I need this kasi ang laki naman ng hole na. And this one, ito yung coffee ko. I store this sa freezer to keep it fresh. And I like my coffee, I like my coffee strong. So, I'm just gonna have a scoop. Coarse po yung, yung coffee. Like that. Okay. Ganyan. And then, so, punin ko yung tubig. Okay, so the first time was a real fail. It was a failure. Like, a super, napaso ako, pero di naman siguro bongga-bonggang paso. So, we're gonna do it again. Anyway, okay. Ito siya. Kuha tayo ulit ng filter. Nakaka-stress to, I'm stressed already. Lagay natin siya dyan. And then, ito pala yung basong gagamitin ko. Ayan. So, that. Kuha ulit tayo ng coffee. Nakaka-stress. My goodness. Kalas o kape, ha. Just wasted a scoop. Kasi, yung lola nyo, ayaw magbabasa ng directions. Okay. Kunin ko yung init na tubig. One moment. Chandler, what's the matter with you? Yan na yung mainit na tubig. Lagay natin dyan. Okay. Kailangan daw nating i-stir. I think I need to add a little bit of water pa kasi yan. And you'll see it dripping. Yun. We'll let it brew for a little bit. And we'll take the plunger. Ito na naman to. We're gonna put this here. Okay. Put away ko lang to. Hello? I'm kinda scared kasi baka yun, baka may glasses not that strong. Wow, baka naman. Nasistress ako for my baso. Effort naman pala nito. Oh my god. This better be really good. Yun. Kuha lang tayo ng very quick video for Instagram. Okay. Ano ba to? Ayan. Okay na to. I think this is it na. Yan. Oh, I like how dark that is. Kasi wala na din yung tubig. Wala na siyang map. Yun. Wala na. As you can see, Ito yung distance ng plunger tsaka yung coffee. Wala nang tubig dyan. So, hayaan natin siya. And ito na yung finished product. Oh, look how dark and concentrated that is. My goodness. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. Masarap. Yay! So I think that's it. This is how you operate your AeroPress. Thank you so much for watching.